Alright, so here is the million-dollar question. Is my Les Paul in tune? Well, you know something? The tuner doesn't lie. So let's check it out. Now I am using a couple of pieces of low density foam to mute the other 5 strings so that we don't get any sympathetic resonance, we get a clear fundamental note. I do have to deal with the traffic kind of rumbling by on the street. Okay, so far so good. The 3rd string. And our 6th string. Once again, I'll use that low density foam to kill any sympathetic overtones so that we get a good clear fundamental note. Now of course this is spring loaded, this bridge, there's a trem bar on it, so the first thing you got to do is just balance the whole thing out, just to make sure the string tension is balanced perfectly with the K value of the spring tension in the back of the guitar, which it is. So now we can start our calibration. I am going to slip that low density foam in there again just to stop any overtones or sympathetic vibration. I just want the fundamental note on the PRS. And that's it for the PRS.